we'll guide you through how to make face bright in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the photo from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module is open, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for specific areas of the image. From the available masking options, select People to detect the person in the photo automatically. After Lightroom identifies the person, choose Facial Skin from the available mask options to apply adjustments only to the facial skin area. Once the facial skin mask has been created, increase the exposure slider to brighten the face without affecting the rest of the image. Adjust the exposure gradually until the face reaches the desired brightness level. Next, increase the shadows slider if needed to brighten darker areas of the face and reveal more facial details. After adjusting the shadows, slightly increase the white slider to enhance the brightest parts of the facial skin while maintaining a natural appearance. Continue by fine-tuning the brightness using additional adjustment controls if necessary. Modify the available lighting settings until the facial skin looks evenly illuminated and blends naturally with the rest of the photo. After completing the adjustments, review the result on the face and check whether the brightness looks balanced. Compare the edited version with the original photo to make sure the changes improve the appearance without making the face look overexposed. Once you are satisfied with the final appearance, save the editing changes to keep all adjustments applied to the photo.